As you can see, we have created this this main website for this project, and after that we also created this administrator form, the admin panel, and here you can see our database that has 6 tables so far, and we have worked a lot. We have also you know customer user interface for customers, so that's all done. Now we need to work on I mean the payment gateway for this project. If someone actually adds a product to cart, and after that they want to order that product, so we can have a payment method for them, so they can pay us online, and then we can send them the product they have ordered, they have purchased. So it may be either a digital product or maybe physical product. In this case, in our website case, we have these all products which are physical products. Basically these are not digital products. So we will use a payment method, and we will process orders, and we'll get the order details from the customers, including the transaction, the payment details, and we'll save them inside different tables inside our database. And you can use the same method for digital products or for anything you want to sell online. So you can use this process for any kind of your project that you have created in PHP or any other web development tool. So the PayPal integration is not difficult, but should be done very carefully. So if we want to include PayPal as a gateway, as a payment gateway in our project, so first of all we must have a PayPal account, whether business account or personal account. But with business account you have more options, more advantages, you can use more tools, and you can have a great experience. But personal account is also able to receive payments from users. So you will have to go to paypal.com, and you will have to create your account there. Very simple procedure is that just click sign up and create your account. It is asking you to create individual account or business account. Or business account, you need to have a business registration. Your business must be registered in order to create this account, because they may ask you for details. But you can simply create individual account, which is also eligible for sell online. You can see it is written for sell online and for receiving payments basically. So you need to just get started this one, and after that you will be taken to another page where you can simply put your details and can create this account. So that's really simple procedure, same like you create an account on Facebook. After you have created your account, then you need to simply go to write developer.paypal.com. This is you need to actually put this address in the address bar, and after that click. So you will be here on this page. Basically, in order to integrate PayPal into our web applications, we first need to actually test that method. If that works fine and everything is okay without any without any errors or without any problem, so then we can make that payment method or that thing online. Similarly, like we are working on this project, we have worked on this project on localhost, you can see. So when we will understand and we will see that everything is fine, code is working, all the features and all the applications are working perfectly, so after that we will upload this whole project to online web server, and this will be then available to all the people from around the world. But before that we need to actually make it secure and make it perfect, and there should not be an error, because on online server that will be a very big shame for every developer if there is error in the code. So similarly like that, when we integrate the PayPal system or PayPal payment process to our application, so we first test it. When it is working fine, in the testing mode, After that we use the real way or the actual way of PayPal. So that is very similar way. I mean, the testing environment is very similar to the real one. You just need to then change the URL of the payment. You know, you need to add the real URL instead of the testing URL. That is a little bit difference between them, and all the other things are work the same. I mean, fine. So this is PayPal developer mode. So here if you have a PayPal account, you can just log in to this PayPal developer environment by using this option. I mean, login. So here you can use the testing environment of PayPal. I mean, you can test receiving and sending money using test PayPal accounts. That is called sandbox PayPal account, which you can create, and very simple you can use them I mean, to test whether it's working or not, and after that it will be working for real as well. So very simply we will just log into this developer PayPal developer by using this login. We'll click it and we'll put my detail. After login I can tell you what to do next. I'll put my email and password. Here you have to give your real PayPal email address and your real PayPal password. So after login we can then create test accounts, so we can use them separately. So just I will say login. I'll click login, and after that I will be logged in basically. Now the page has refreshed, or you can see here this is my name Abdul Wali, so I am logged in. After logged into this PayPal developer, you need to go to application. You can see over here this is application, or you can click dashboard. So just click dashboard, and after you came to dashboard, here you can click application, and when you click the application you can just observe at left side there is written sandbox accounts. So sandbox accounts are basically those accounts, test accounts, which you can use as a test to receive money, to send money, and you can create many accounts as test accounts using this sandbox application here inside PayPal developer. So we will also create some test accounts, and we'll test the payment PayPal payment method for all this website that we have created, so people can pay us. And after we test it, then we can just simply change the main URL and our main test email to the original email, the real email, and the test URL to the real URL of PayPal. So that will work the same way then. And one thing more, we can also add dollars or any other currency as much as we want to the test accounts, so we can test them. So you need to just click sandbox accounts, and I don't have any account here. This is my email, just I know this is my email that I use to log into PayPal, so I can create accounts here. So I will create two accounts, one business and one personal. The business account I will use to receive money inside, and the personal account I will use to to buy things or to buy products, because I have this project. Okay, so as I am teaching you this course, so I will need to have two accounts, because from one account I will buy this thing, and in another account I should receive that money. So I will show you how you can easily buy a thing, and how you can then receive that money inside your business account. So we need to actually simply create two accounts over here. One will be personal account, and will be business account. You can see this button over here, create account, and make sure you are logged into the PayPal developer, so then you can create accounts and you can use this whole development environment. Just click create an account. It will take you to this page, create account, and here you can select a country, which is by default United States, and that's okay. An account type personal, and you can observe it is written here buyer account and merchant account. So business account means merchant account and personal account means buyer. Personal means we can buy things and business means we will receive payments. So I will first of all create a business account. I will just check this radio button, and after that you can create a virtual email, just a temporary email for this. So I will just simply say business test at shop.com. This is just, this email does not exist, but I'm just creating for testing. So business test at shop.com, and its password will be very simply Wali, and sorry, password must be 8 characters, so I will add Wali Khan. That's it, Wali Khan. Sorry, password is Wali Khan, and first name, last name Abdul Wali. And we can add PayPal balance, we can add dollars to it, currency to it. So that is up to you how much you want to add. This is basically test money, so it will be appearing in your account. So I will add $5,000 because this is free, so I can add as much as I want. That's it. Now there is no need to do anything, just click create account, because this all the information are just test information. And you can see you just created a new test account. It is saying here the message, and this is my business test at shop.com, country US, business type. One more I need to create. Just I will click again the create account option, and I will this time select this personal account, and we'll give it an email which will also be a test email, just personal test at shop.com. That's it. Another password will also be Wali Khan, and this is my name, and I will add $1,000 to it. So $1,000 to it because this is my business account and it will have a balance of $1,000, which is basically a test thing. Create an account, I will click, and it will create the personal account as well. Now you can see personal test at shop.com, and you just created a new test account. So I have two accounts now, personal test at shop.com and business test at shop.com, and passwords for both of the accounts are Wali Khan. So now we can go to the real testing account, real test PayPal account. So here you can observe enter sandbox site, because you have created the accounts, email addresses and other information you have given. But now if you want to access if you want to go to that website, this is here, enter sandbox site. Just I will click it, and inside a new tab you can observe here in the browser www.sandbox.paypal.com. this is basically the testing environment. So now I can log in with the test accounts here into this site, not with my real email of PayPal, but with this test account. So I will just simply first of all open this business test, so I can see how the $1,000 it has or not. Business test at shop.com. So very simply I will put this email there, and the password is Wali Khan. Very simply I will click login, so I will be logged into this account, so that we can see our we added $1,000 to this account, so we must have 1,000 in this. That is a test money basically. So the more money we receive, the more we will have inside this account. And you can see 5,000. Oh my god, sorry, we added $5,000 to that this business test account. That was a mistake, but okay, no problem. So we added 5,000 to this business test at shop.com and 1,000 to this personal test. I just misfigured that thing. Okay, doesn't matter. This is this looks like real PayPal account. So you can see, just because this is a test account, you can see this is written test site, and at bottom you can also find test site. but looks like real account. You can send money, you can receive money and things like that, and we will see transactions that we will have. So if someone buys something from our this I mean this shop, so we can receive that money inside this business account. And we can similarly like that log into this personal test as well, where we will have $1,000, and using this personal test account, personal test at shop.com, which is the email for that personal account, we can use this to buy things from this shop or from any shop in the world. So we will receive that money into this business account. That's it. And next video I'm coming back and we'll just take that PayPal code to integrate into our application. So after that we can buy things or these products using PayPal. Stay tuned.